Good morning! A day in my life. Early bird na naman yung knock-knock namin. Nag-ask na naman siya ng milk mga my guys. Kasi every morning lang siya mag-drink ng milk. So no more night, only morning. Sometimes 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh, diba? Very happy. And then I make our lunch is stew mga my guys. So yan po yun. Carrots at saka tomato. And then potato. And then squash, kalabasa. O, niraspa-raspa ni mami kasi wala na talaga akong idea sa sa soup. So another soup na naman, menu idea for mami para maiba naman yung taste, lasa ni Naknak, no. Maiba naman yung panglasa niya. At saka may fish kami na inununan. So yan talaga si mami, full-time mom. Kailangan talaga I need to taking care my baby, mga my guys, my family. So and then pay attention sa kanya. O ganyan naman, 'di ba? So it depends mga my guys how you taking care of your baby na anong food ang ibigay mo sa kanya. So sa akin, ito full-time mom ako. Yan talaga, mag-make talaga ako ng food sa kanya na healthy to make sure mga my guys na knock she eat healthy jud na food mga my guys. So I know soon mag big girl na siya, she can pick her food na, but now that she's kuan pa baby, o di ba yan na, o magbo-boil na yan, so wala talagang oil, so only water and then lemongrass and then the potato, and then ilunod ko na yung potato and tomato is there. O yan, o diba, very beautiful. O, I'm very excited to feed her this one. And anyway, thank you so much to Ate Joy in Switzerland kasi siya talaga yung nagbigay ng idea sa akin na ganyanin raspa because it's really healthy. So she tell me mga my guys na yang ganyanin mo lami kaysa sa nga tanan, very yummy. But anyway mga my guys, lami gyud siya, very masarap. Kay nga no, why? Because our squash here mga my guys is sweet. Ano siya mga my guys? Sweet yung squash. So pwede na siya, hindi mo siya timplahan ng salt kasi yung taste ng squash at saka yung carrots, nag-fight sila ba? Yung healthiness nila, very good. But anyway, I just put a little bit of salt, that's it. So yan na po, yan, mag ano yan siya mga my guys, parang mag-sticky yan siya. So yan talaga yung idea ng mami, no, kasi it's hard to pick their food mga my guys, especially pabalik-balik na. So yan po yung lunch namin ni Naknak. So for good for 2 days na yan because very cold here mga my guys, winter na sa amin, so we need soup. I need give her soup para iwas sa mga runny nose, and also mga my guys, very healthy, and really she really eat good and she like it. So anyway, that's mommy. So thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.